फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th इंग्लिश का नवनीत असाइनमेंट सेमेस्टर 1। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है। क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्यूशन है आपका। स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 5 to 6 सेंटेंस। यूनिट 1 चैप्टर नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Why did Margie hate school and think that old kind of school must have been fun? Answer है Margie found nothing in school to enjoy, so she hated school. But now she began hating school more than ever. Her mechanical teacher gave her test after test. But Margie could not do well in those tests, so she went on doing worse and worse in each test. Her mother was very unhappy with her, so Margie hated school. But when she knew about old school from Tommy, she thought that they were great fun. Children from the whole neighborhood went there together. They played, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom. They learnt in the same thing at school. At the end of the day, they went home together. She thought that they must have been places of great fun. Second number है, where was Margie and Tommy's schoolroom? What kind of teacher did they have? Answer है, Margie and Tommy went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher. They were large, black and ugly. They have a large black screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. These mechanical teachers had a slot in which the student had to put their homeworks and test papers. They had to write their answer in a punch code, and the mechanical teacher calculated the mark immediately. Third number. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Option A. What does they refer to? और second है, what does regular teacher mean here? Answer है A का, they refer to the people of many centuries ago. B. Here regular means something of the lasting nature. Second chapter में से question number 1. Who noticed Alvin's potential? What did he do and say to help her and continue with music? Answer है, Alvin's potential was noticed by the Rob Forbes. He began to turning two large drums to different notes. He would say, "Don't listen through your ears. Try to sense it some other way." Second number. Where and how did Bismillah Khan get its big break? Answer है, Bismillah Khan had accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad Music Conference at the age of 14. At the end of his recital, Ustad Faizan Khan patted his back and told him to work hard, and he shall make it big in life. He got his big break with the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. He soon became an often heard Sehnai player on radio. थर्ड नंबर, हाउ इज अ सहनाई डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ पुंगी? आंसर है आप लोग का, सहनाई इज अ पाइप विथ अ नेचुरल होलो स्टेम दैट इज लॉन्गर एंड ब्रॉडर देन द पुंगी. इट हैज 7 होल्स ऑन हिज बॉडी. When it is played, the closing and opening of some of the holes produces soft and melodious sounds. Unit 3 से question number 1. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald? How was he different from Kezia's father? Answer है, MacDonald was different from her father. He was not strict, played with his children, and they laughed all the while. On the other hand, Kezia's father was always angry at her. He remained busy with work and later was too tired that he slept most of the time. Second number, how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needed sympathy? Answer है, With her mother and grandmother at the hospital, Kezia is left at home in the care of Alice, the cook. At night, after she is put to bed by the cook, she has a nightmare. She calls for the grandmother, but to her surprise, she finds her father standing near her bed. He takes her in the arms and makes her sleep next to him. Half asleep, she creeps close to him, snuggles her head under his arm, and holds tightly to his shirt. Her father asks her to rub her feet against his legs for warmth. Her father goes off to sleep before her. This makes her understand that he was to work hard every day, and this leaves him too tired to be like Mr. McDonald. She expresses her altered feeling for her father by telling him that he was a big heart. Question number 3. Describe Kezia's father. Answer है Kezia's father was a hard-working man but short-tempered. He was a strict disciplinarian too. When Kezia's mother was hospitalized, Kezia realized that her father loved her but didn't have the art of expressing his love. Chapter number 4 में से question number 1. Why did Einstein have to put off his marriage to Mileva? Answer है Mileva was too old for Albert. She was also bothered that the two shared an almost equal level of intelligence owing to his objection. Albert Einstein put off his wedding for a few years. Second number, why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? What was its impact? Einstein wrote a letter in the American President Franklin Roosevelt when the Nazis come to power in Germany, and he had to migrate from there. The discovery of nuclear fission in Germany made the American physicists upset that the Nazis could build and use an atom bomb, but no impact. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in the secret project of their own and dropped the Japanese two cities of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Third number, why is Einstein remembered as a world citizen even today? Answer है Einstein is remembered as a world citizen as much as a genius scientist because of his efforts toward world peace and democracy and for his crusade against the use of arms. Chapter number 5 में से question number 1. Which two important and earth-shattering decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? Answer है the doctor took two important and earth-shattering decisions while he was looking into the mirror. First, he decided to shave daily and grow a thin mustache. Secondly, always to keep an attractive smile on his face. Second number है what kind of person does the doctor want to marry? Why? And what kind of person does he actually marry? Answer है the doctor want to get married to a woman who had plenty of money and good medical practice and who was fat. The reason he gave was that if he, the doctor husband, ever made any mistake and tried to run away, he would not be able to catch him and stop him from escaping. He actually married with a thin, ready person. Last question है चैप्टर नंबर 5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. जस्टिफाई द टाइटल द स्नेक एंड द मिरर. तो आंसर आता है आप लोग का द स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द नरेटर द स्नेक एंड द मिरर. द नरेटर hears some familiar sounds, a dull thud, and a snake land on his shoulders. The doctor is terrified and sits there like a stone. He suddenly feels the presence of the creator of the world and death lurking 4 inches away. He forgets dangers and smiles feebly. The snake looks into the mirror, moves toward the mirror, and wants to enjoy too close reflection in the mirror. तो ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन का आपका पूरा सॉल्यूशन. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.